On January 29th, Mercedes-Benz will pull the covers off the refreshed S-Class, and even before its official debut, it's clear this is far more than a routine facelift. The flagship luxury sedan has been partially revealed through a near-production prototype shown in a video featuring Mercedes-Benz CEO Ola Kalenius, wrapped in striking camouflage but still revealing plenty. According to the brand, this update introduces around 2,700 new components, making it one of the most ambitious upgrade programs Mercedes-Benz has ever undertaken for an existing model. At first glance, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Facelift stays true to the elegant silhouette that has defined the W223 generation. Mercedes has resisted the temptation to reinvent the design, instead focusing on subtle but meaningful exterior refinements. The most eye-catching changes are at the front, where the headlights now feature dual three-pointed star daytime running lights within each cluster. This star-themed lighting signature connects the S-Class to Mercedes' upcoming models and reinforces its status as the brand's technological showcase. The front grille has also been reworked. It appears slightly larger than before and now incorporates an LED surround, adding a sense of presence, especially at night. Beneath the camouflage, a star-studded grille pattern can be seen, further emphasizing the brand's identity. An illuminated three-pointed star on the bonnet is expected to be offered as well, although it was intentionally omitted on the test car. Revised front and rear bumpers are likely part of the update, even if they are not fully visible yet. At the rear, the changes continue with new taillights featuring a triple three-pointed star design. This theme mirrors the front lighting and adds a distinctive signature after dark. The S-Class facelift will also continue with faux exhaust outlets at the back, a detail that remains controversial among purists. Overall dimensions are expected to remain largely unchanged, but buyers will have access to new alloy wheel designs to freshen the look further. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class facelift will continue to focus on refined efficiency rather than radical change. Entry-level variants are expected to use a 3-liter inline-6 petrol engine paired with mild hybrid technology. Mercedes is also likely to offer inline-6 diesel options in select markets. While official specifications have not yet been confirmed, the familiar 9-speed torque converter automatic gearbox from the current model is expected to carry over, ensuring smooth and effortless performance. Inside, the S-Class facelift is where the most significant upgrades are expected. As Mercedes-Benz flagship sedan, it will showcase the latest iteration of the Mercedes-Benz operating system, or MB.OS. One of the headline features is a new triple-screen setup spanning the width of the dashboard, replacing the more conventional two-screen layout of the pre-facelift model. This immersive display arrangement is designed to elevate both driver engagement and passenger entertainment. Rear seat comfort, especially in the long wheelbase version, remains a core focus. Buyers can expect multi-way adjustable individual rear seats with heating, ventilation, and multi-stage massage functions. Additional luxury features likely to include 4-zone automatic climate control, powered rear sunshades, a panoramic dual-pane sunroof, and a dedicated rear seat entertainment system. Ambient lighting with up to 64 colors, a cabin fragrance system, an augmented reality head-up display, and a high-end audio setup will further enhance the sense of indulgence. Safety and driver assistance will also see meaningful updates. The S-Class facelift is expected to offer advanced ADAS features, such as automatic lane change assist, traffic sign recognition, and automatic collision avoidance. These systems will work alongside surround view cameras, electronic stability control, and a comprehensive airbag setup. Mercedes is also expected to expand personalization options through its manufacturer program, allowing customers to tailor materials, colors, and finishes to their tastes. In terms of market availability, Mercedes-Benz has not yet announced a precise launch schedule. However, the updated S-Class is expected to reach select Western markets around the third quarter of 2026. Other regions will follow later, with markets like India likely seeing the facelifted model in late 2026 or early 2027. Pricing has not been revealed, but with the current S-Class positioned firmly in the top tier of the luxury sedan segment, the facelift is expected to command a premium. Ultimately, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class facelift is about evolution rather than revolution. By combining subtle design updates, refined powertrains, cutting-edge software, and even more luxury interiors, Mercedes aims to reinforce the S-Class's role as the benchmark for full-size luxury sedans. In a segment that includes rivals like the BMW 7 Series, Audi A8, and Lexus LS, this update ensures the S-Class remains not just relevant, but firmly at the top.